So board and batten siding has become extremely popular over the last 10 years. I think we can thank Chip and Joanna Gaines for that. If you watched HGTV back, especially when they were really popular, you would have seen a lot of board and batten siding going on down in Texas. But I love it. I mean, we have a lot of our clients choose board and batten for their house. And so some people call it vertical siding. In terms of James Hardie, the way it's applied is Hardie has a 4-foot by 10-foot panel of siding. And so we put the panels up on the house first, so it looks like a flat panel. And then we apply the batten trim vertically over all those seams. And it just gives such a cool look. I think it's rich, and even if it's not modern farmhouse, right? Like ourselves, we have kind of a craftsman style home, and we have board and batten in all the gables of our house to break up that lap siding and give it a really cool texture and profile difference. And so the only con really to board and batten is it is more expensive per foot than doing a horizontal plank siding. It's more laborious, there's more material involved. But for a lot of people, using it in sort of accented areas can really give it an elevated look. And I think it creates more of that, like we talk about, that custom home look and not just a production built cookie cutter home. So I always tell clients, hey, let's maybe explore using it in various areas of the house. That's why we have the design tools. The other thing is, it doesn't always look great with board and batten on the entire home, even if people initially say that's how we want it. So again, we lean back on that technology we have to design your home so you can get a really clear, high resolution picture of how this would look. But yeah, I think board and batten is a great kind of classic, timeless piece of design for siding on the home. I don't see board and batten going out of style in the next 10, 15 years. I think it's something that's going to look great 100 years from now. But it's fun to play with that, and we use it in different areas of the house fairly often.